Hey guys, what's up? It's Miss Lindsay and Miss AJ. Welcome back to our channel.
Today we're going to break down some fun tap steps for you, super basic, so go ahead and try and learn them at home.
And if you like our content today, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right down below.
There's a like button and you can comment too.
Hey guys, first off we're going to start with a shuffle. So we're only going to be using the ball of our foot and we're going to brush our foot out and spank our foot back. You can do it to the side and the front. Shuffle, 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 and switch other foot. Shuffle, 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 yeah, and faster. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. And there's many different variations. We can do a shuffle ball change. So we're going to be on the balls of our feet. And we're going to go shuffle, back, front. Shuffle, back, front. And switch.
Okay, so next we're going to learn a flap. This is super simple and basic, so all you're going to do is a brush with the ball of your foot, brush, step, brush, step, brush, step, brush, step. Good, we'll try those a little bit faster. You go. So there should always be two sounds in a flap. Here's a variation for you. You're going to go flap, heel, heel, starting with your back heel. So you'll go flap, back, flap, back, flap, back, flap, back. And a little bit faster, you go.
Okay, next up is going to be our paradiddles. So we're going to start with a dig. So we're going to dig our foot. Dig. We're going to spank that toe, toe, heel. Other foot. Dig. Spank, toe, heel. Dig, spank, toe, heel. Dig, spank, toe, heel. Let's try them just a little bit faster. And here's a fun paradiddle combo. You're going to do 3 paradiddles and a stomp and switch feet. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, stomp, and start with that left foot. 1, 2, 3, and fast it should sound like this.
Okay guys, next we're going to break down a cramp roll. There's different variations of this. We're going to start with the most basic one. So you're going to go step, step, heel, heel. You want to make sure you're alternating, going right, left, or on your other foot, left, right. So we'll go ahead and give that a try. Right, left, step, step, heel, heel, step, heel, heel. And we'll try on our left side, going left, right. Great, and then we'll go ahead and do a reverse cramp roll. This one, you're going to start with your heels and with your toes. So you'll go heel, heel, toe, heel, heel, toe. And we'll try that again, starting on our left foot. Left, right. And then a cramp roll sped up is going to sound like this. And a reverse.
All right, guys, next up is going to be an Irish. We're going to shuffle to the side. Shuffle. You're going to hop on your supporting leg and then step forward. shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step. Now we can also do this backwards. Shuffle, hop, step behind you. Shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step. Now faster, this is what it's going to look like.
Okay, now we're going to try what's called a Shirley temple. So you're going to start with a flat, brush, step, heel, heel, spank, heel, go, heel. Then you'll go back the other way. Flat, heel, heel, spank, heel, go, heel. You want to make sure that you're always alternating sides on this. So we'll try that again. Flat, heel, heel, spank, heel, go, heel. Flat, heel, heel, spank, heel, go. Now we're going to try that just a little bit faster. And that's a Shirley temple.
Next up is going to be drawbacks. I'm going to go ahead and face the side for you as I break them down. You're going to start with your foot forward and you're going to spank it backwards. You're going to do the heel of your supporting leg and then you're going to step onto that toe. So you're going spank, heel, step. Spank, heel, step. Spank, heel, step. And just a little bit faster, we go spank, heel, one. And forward. This is what they're going to look like. And if you want a good challenge, you can really speed it up. And this is what it will sound like.
So now we're going to try some buffaloes. So you're going to start this out by stepping with a shuffle, jump, and switch your weight, crossing this other foot in front. So we'll try that again. Step, shuffle, jump. And we'll try it on the other side. Remember, you don't want to let your heels touch the ground. Good. Now here's what they're going to sound like just a little bit faster. Hey guys, hope you liked our basic tap tutorial today.
And if you guys want a challenge, make sure you check out some of our other videos and subscribe to our page for fresh new content posted weekly.
And we're out. Basic tap tutorial today.
Am I supposed to talk?
That was your turn.
Lindsay and Miss A, why do I always do this? Of our videos and subscribe to our page for our fresh content. Hey guys! No. No.
You can go ahead and try and learn them at home.
And AJ, and we're back for you. Oh my god.